Hey, you. Over here. Yes, you. Yes, I'm talking to you. Are you bored of having the same old dinner? Need something to spice up your life a little bit? And are you tired of that ridiculous head wrap? Well, unfortunately, we can't help you with the head wrap. But we may be able to help you still. Answer the door. Go on. It's for you.
Here you go.
Here is a Eat Grounded pack. Are you excited? Then show us. What's good, people? Welcome to Plant-Based Leon. I'm Leon, and today, I guess I'll be trying out making a meal using this Eat Grounded pack. So, with no further ado, let's see what's inside this. So, who is Eat Grounded?
Hey guys, we're Eat Grounded and we are the UK's first vegan meal kit that is literally going to make your taste buds go crazy.
All you need to do is add a few simple ground-given ingredients and cook up some favourite old school classics that even Dad's gonna like. Now, we don't do missing out and neither does Leon. Over to you, man.
So I must say I was quite impressed by the Moroccan mint tea which they included in the packaging. I thought that was really nice added touch. 2 of them as well, so there won't be no fighting over who gets the tea. So you want to prep your ingredients when you're making this recipe because it's going to make things so much easier when you're doing the process. You want to chop up your sweet potato in 2cm chunks roughly and then put them in cold water, and you want to pop that on the side to boil. Yeah, those onions sting, guys, for real. You want to chop up your red onion, your garlic, your red peppers. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan over a medium heat and fry the onion, garlic and the pepper for around 5 minutes. Add the tagine seasoning and cook it for another minute. And I've got to say, that smells. It smells as beautiful as it looks, I promise you. Add the chickpeas and tomatoes along with half a tin of water. Bring to boil and keep it on medium heat for around 5 to 7 minutes to thicken. Stir in the apricots, the leafy greens and the olives if you're using them, and bring the heat to a simmer. Pop the kettle on and mix the couscous with the couscous blend. Add 150 milliliters of boiling water, stir it once and cover it. Eventually you want to fold in the sweet potato and let that simmer for another 2 minutes. Serve with a scattering of fresh mint, if you're using mint, and tagine top up. Enjoy. I know you will. Look at how beautiful this meal looks. It says a good tip is to top this with pomegranate, so I'm gonna do that straight from the fruit. Look at the colours of that. I've got some pita bread here as well. I just whipped up some homemade mint yogurt. Wow. I was a bit skeptical about the apricot pieces. What? They bang. They bang. Everything about the food and drink in front of me is yes. Yes, yes, yes. I'm telling you, this is a beautiful meal. It needs nothing else. I can't wait to, time lapse. Do you hear me? Time lapse right now. I clearly enjoyed that. Thank you, Eat Grounded, for letting me try this out. I've been absolutely blown away. And I encourage you guys to head to Eat Grounded's Instagram and website, where you can find out more details about where to get their pack. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, there's plenty more content on the page. Honestly, if this is your first time seeing me or anything like that, head to the page. Trust me, you don't know what you're missing. I can't even put it in words. Slap that like button.